Hi, my name's Kevin Langan, and this is my web application repeat project. I'm going to run you through a quick demo of the project right now. So, this is a Maven web application project, and the first Java file I have here is TV shows. This holds all the TV show variables, sets them and gets them. And then we have the TV show web service. So this is where the API is able to get the TV show information and is able to add TV shows and delete TV shows using these get, post and delete functions. This one here is for the administrators, as it has post and delete, as they're able to edit the information of the TV shows. This one here is just for the user and just able to get the information that is declared public by the administrators. So I have a file here for users. Has user name, email, password, and sets and gets the information. And the same can be done for the users. The API is able to get the information. You can add users and delete users. The same is done for administrators. Has the same variables, name, email, and password. And they are also, the API is also able to get, delete, and add administrators. So I tried connecting to a database to store this information through a persistence file, and has the local host, the passwords, the root, but I also added it and set up the POM correctly for the use of MySQL connector Java, updated to 18.8.0.16 and running on Jetty Maven plugin. But unfortunately I wasn't able to get it connected anytime I ran it, and the test it's the same link, but the table's never updated, and unfortunately couldn't get that connected. So show you the index. This is my home page, so this is the HTML for the home page. It includes the header, body, the buttons, and the buttons are linked to my paths for the TV shows, administrators and users. I have a search form set up. This is where the user was able to search for the TV show they were looking for, but unfortunately this wasn't able to connect to anything, as I wasn't able to connect to the database either. But I'll just give you a quick demo of the code running now. So there, it has ran successfully. Start an interval in 3 seconds. So we go to our browser and we type in http://localhost 8080, and this is the home page. And we see here, you can see TV shows in JSON format, and your prompt pop-up box: are you a user or administrator? If you're an administrator, you can go in here, view the TV shows, and same can be said if you're a user, you can view the TV shows. Done the same for XML format, you can view them in XML format, and users can also view them in XML format. And if you not an administrator or user and you misspell it, it won't link you to the page. So you can see the users that are set up in JSON, the users that are set up in XML. Same with administrators. And here's my search form. Brings you to a search page, but I could not get this to link to the data, as I looked into it and I needed to be connected to the database, but unfortunately wasn't able to connect to that. But I'll show you now how the administrators are only able to update and delete the data, while the users can only view the data that's public for the made public by the administrators now. So if I come to my terminal and have my curl commands, so yeah, I'll show you now how I can return the data now in the terminal. So this will return all the TV shows. There you have all the TV shows. And if I add an ID at the end, it will just return the first TV show, so ID 0, so it returns Friends TV show. Same if I done ID 1, just returns The Simpsons, so you're able to pull by TV show by ID. And I'll add a TV show. So I'm adding Stranger Things right now to the list. Upload completely sent off. So if I go to date TV shows in JSON, administrator, we can see that Stranger Things has been added to the API. And if I go user, you can see that they don't see Stranger Things as it's not been made public by the administrator. This can be still viewed in XML. Stranger Things been added here. And there's no Stranger Things added there for the user. Same if we want to delete. So I want to delete the TV show at ID 0. So we'll have a look at see what this is. Friends. So I'll run this command. Let me go back. See administrator. Friends is deleted, and the first one is Simpsons now. Stranger Things is there still. But if we go as a user, Friends is still there for them, and there's no Stranger Things, so that's working well. This is the same for XML. Friends is gone. And Friends is there. So this can be done as well for users. We can add a user show you getting all the users as well. So it returns all the users, Kevin, Rory McIlroy, and if I just wanted one user, ID 1, it returns Hunter Mahan, the user at ID 1. And if we want to add a user, I'm going to add John Higgins now. John Higgins can be added. We'll have a quick look, make sure he's not there. So, and there's John Higgins there. And he's there as well in the XML format. So if I want to delete a user, so if I want to delete user at ID 0, this is Kevin Langan, so and Kevin Langan is now removed, so same for the XML. And the same can be done for administrators. You can use the get command to get all administrators in the terminal. It gets them all. Same. ID 0 just returns the first administrator, ID 0, so Justin Fields. And if we want to add an administrator, we're going to add Rafa Nadal to the list, so upload complete. And Rafa Nadal is now added to the list. And the same in the XML format, Rafa Nadal now in the end. And if we want to delete an administrator, delete administrator at ID 2, we'll just have a look, see which one this is. This is Andy Dalton. So, complete. And Andy Dalton is removed, so all is working well here. And that is my demo. Thank you for your time.